Welcome to your 10-minute low impact, no jumping HIIT with me, Gabby. Hi everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today I have for you 10 minutes of HIIT. 45 seconds on, full power, followed by a 15-second breather. It's follow along and super easy to follow. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into each exercise, and I will also pop the name down below at the bottom of the screen. Any feedback, suggestions, comments, drop them down below at the end of the video. I hope you really enjoy it. Make sure you hit subscribe as well. Let's get started. Your workout is completely equipment free as well. So let's go for it. First thing we're going to come into is an inchworm. We're going for that in 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach the hands up. You're going to walk the hands out, hold the plank, walk back in again. This is your first exercise, inchworm. So I just want you to warm up the body. Keep breathing in. Keep breathing, exhale away. You've got 10 exercises today. As I said, low impact. We have 0 jumping. Also, no equipment required for today's workout. Walk the hands out, hold the plank. Remember, don't drop the hips down if you feel it in the lower back. Make sure you're not pushing the hips to the floor as you come into that plank. Just hold a nice, gorgeous, straight line. Keep going, walk the hands out, all the way back in. You've got it. We've got another 8 more seconds here to go. Walking out, back in again, reaching all the way up, inhale, exhale, 2, 1, break there. 15-second breather. Next up, you have a reach to the ceiling, tap to the floor. That will be on the screen every time we break for that 15 seconds. So we're gonna go into that in 2, in 1. Go, reach up, tap the floor. So you wanna reach the hands to the ceiling to really get the heart rate nice and high. And bring this leg into the knee, down into a lunge, up and down. Now the faster you take all of these movements today, the higher your heart rate gets. The higher your heart rate gets, the more calories you're going to burn and the more you're going to get into your fat burning zone. That is where we all want to be today. Keep going, lifting, reaching, and down, all the way up, pulling the toe to the knee. Keep on going, you've got 8 more seconds here to go. Inhale in, exhale, don't hold the breath. You've got it, 3, 2, and 1. Break there. Your next option is on the screen now. It's an elbow to the knee. You're going opposite, opposite, opposite. Whatever you do, just keep moving for me. We're going in 2, 1, go. So you want to bring elbow to knee, really squeezing it across the body. Now if you can't get opposite to opposite, do not panic. I just want you to think elbow to knee, and keep on moving, keep on breathing. Is that heart rate up already? We can do this, everybody. Inhale in, exhale away. You've got it, squeeze. Now can we maybe pick up the speed a little bit more? Squeeze, squeeze, modification. Everything I do today, take it a little bit slower. Squeeze and in and in. I'm starting to burn. You've got it, 5 more seconds. Keep going, elbow to knee. 3, 2, 1. Next up, other side of the reach and tap down towards the floor. So you're on the other leg now, doing the work. During this break, breathe in, breathe out. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Up, up, down to the floor. So as you drop down to the floor, I really want to lunge into this side leg, up and all the way down. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Can you reach, try and touch up to the ceiling? Wish I didn't put lip gloss on before this workout. My pony's getting stuck to my lips. Give us a thumbs up at the end of this video if that's ever happened to you. All the way up, all the way down. We got 15 more seconds left to go. Inhale, exhale. Keep on doing this. You've got it. We have just another 5 more seconds here to go. You've got it, 3. You've got it, 2, 1. Break there. Next up, we're down on the floor. So next position, you're in a plank. It's on the screen now. Really scooping that foot around the outside of the body. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Round, back, round, back. Again, modification Go nice and slow. Maybe even give yourself a little breather in this one. I know it's hard. Advancement, you want it tougher today. You are feeling the warrior, like a warrior princess. Just go faster. Tap. This one is also great for working towards your waist. You're working to the side of the body, drawing down your waistline. You've got it. We got 15. Oh my gosh. More seconds left to go. 10 more seconds. And then we can take a 15. Like a breather. 2, 1. Well done. Break there. Whew. Next up, you stood up for the next one. So you're bringing your hands above the head and sending one foot backwards. In 3, in 2, 1. So just hands above the head, punch forward, tap that right foot back. I'm gonna go side as you can see. In fact, I'm just gonna do the whole thing this way. It's a little bit easier to see. Keep going, punch, tap, punch, tap. Inhale in, exhale, away. Oh gosh. Keep going, nice deep breath in, nice deep breath out. How many calories can we burn today? How much fat can we melt? How much can we change our body? You have another 10 more seconds here, and then we're gonna go other side of this. So what you're gonna do is switch to the other leg, keep punching those hands. 2, 1. Oh, break there. Remember, in these breaks, breathe in, breathe out, exhale away. So next up, it's on the screen now, but it's gonna go into that left leg. We're going in 2, 1, go. Punch, tap, punch, tap. This other leg, the supporting leg, it's nice and bent. You wanna protect that knee joint, stabilize through that supporting foot. Keep going. Can we get that heart rate even higher? You're coming to the end of your HIIT workout today. I know you've got it. Keep going. Bring it out, in, inhale, exhale, out, in. We have 15 more seconds left to go. Oh, whew. I'm struggling too, don't worry. You've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break that. Well done. Next up, we're going to go into your modified jacks. They're on the screen now. Always keep pushing through this final 3 minutes. We are so close to being done. We're going to go in 3, in 2, 1, go. Out, in, inhale, exhale. So as hands go out to the side, they reach to the ceiling. The foot comes out towards the side. This is a great one as well. If you can't jump because of neighbours, then I'd recommend you can do this in socks. You can do it in bare feet because we've got no jumping. Reach, and then your neighbours stand over here like a little quiet mouse. Keep going, we got 15 more seconds here left to go. Inhale, exhale, 10 more seconds, and then we are so close to finishing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more exercises to go. Next up, we're going to come into that lunge and you're going to switch it side to side. That's going to be on the screen now for you to see. We're going in 3, in 2, 1, go. So you want the feet nice and wide. And I want you to remember the knees here, they are bending. Bend, reach, bend, reach, bend, reach. You're switching side to side. Opposite hand up to the ceiling. Pull the abs away from the floor. Engaging the abs here as well as getting that HIIT workout. Strength and power in today's HIIT. We go change, reach, reach. You so have this. 15 more seconds left to go. Can you get that heart rate higher? Switch, switch. Give me absolutely everything. Just give me 8 more seconds here. Reach into the toes, bend the knees. We've got it. 3, 2, 1. Break there. This is your last thing. We're just gonna punch across the chest. End of your HIIT. Last 45 seconds. Punch out everything you hate about today, about your life, about the world. 2, 1, go. Punch in across the chest. Press, press, punch, punch. Really give it everything. So as you punch side to side, the knees bend, bend, punch, punch. Now this is your final 30 seconds of your HIIT today. So go a little bit faster, punch. Let's get that heart rate high. Let's get into that fat burning zone. You switch this on for a reason today. You want to make a change. 15 more seconds left to go. Punch, press, press, press. You've got it. Keep going. You have 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and out. Well done in your 10-minute low impact HIIT. Make sure you drop me a comment down below. Let me know how you got on with the workout today. And if you want to team this with something else, maybe you want another HIIT workout to make it 20 minutes, head back to the homepage. Maybe you want to work on your booty, on your abs, on your arms. Everything is equipment free. I will see you next time. Hit subscribe. Bye.